How to fix MMS messaging problems on your iPhone. If you're having trouble sending MMS messages or can't find the MMS messaging option, this tutorial will walk you through the settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. Now, select Messages. Scroll down to the text messaging section. Here, you'll find options such as MMS Messaging, Show Subject Field, and Character Count. Make sure MMS Messaging is turned on. If MMS Messaging is already enabled, but you still can't send photos or other MMS messages, make sure you're connected to your cellular data, since MMS requires cellular service. Also, check that your carrier supports MMS messaging on your current mobile plan. If everything looks correct but MMS still isn't working, try restarting your iPhone and then test sending an MMS message again. And that's it. That's how you can check and troubleshoot the MMS messaging settings on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.